this part of personal security risk analysis. The first step in conducting a personal security risk analysis is creating categories that one would be at risk for. In this example, our categories include theft, car incidents, and personal injuries. Next, within each category, you write down any incidents that have occurred within that category and the dates that they correspond to. In this example, the incidents of theft include stolen keys, a phone, gym bag, and an iPod. Then, you list the incidents according to the dates, with the oldest date first, and going down, and finally ending with the most recent date. Next, you find the days between each incident. Here, the number of days between the keys and phone being taken is 381 days. You do the same procedure to find the next two values. Once all the values are totaled, you take their average. The average number of days between incidents for theft is 210 days, which is found by taking the sum of 381, 149, and 101 and dividing that total by 3. Finally, we can find the daily probability by dividing 1 by the average number of days between incidents. Therefore, there is a 0.48% daily chance of a theft occurring. The next category in the security risk analysis is the risk of car incidents. Using the same procedure, we find the average number of days between car incidents is 437. This gives a 0.23% daily chance of being in a car incident. Finally, we look at the risk of personal injury. The average number of days between personal injuries is 162 days. This gives a 0.62% daily chance of enduring a personal injury. Therefore, from our three categories, the risk of personal injury is the highest, followed by the risk of theft, and finally, the risk of being in a car incident has the lowest daily probability. There are several lessons we can learn from this PowerPoint. First, we learned how to use Microsoft Excel to calculate the probability of security risk. From this information, we can use the personal security risk analysis to prioritize activities and utilize resources. The analysis tells us what we are most at risk for, and we can therefore know what we should do to adjust to the highest risk.